Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are amazing. Guys, today I'm going to tell you another story. Dumb Dog and his boat. Woohoo! Look, this is Dom and this is his boat. Very good, guys. And today we are going to see some words, some new words, okay? Look, first thing, this is and the ant. Ant, guys, because it's an ant, é uma formiga, tá vendo? Very good. Here is Gus, goat. Dom, dog. It's a boat. They are glasses. It's a jacket. Jack horse. Pet cat. Here it's a kick like football. Woo, you kick the ball. Water and some socks. Very good. You will see these on this story, okay? And I'm going to tell the story, and after the story, there is an activity. Woohoo! Origami. Woohoo! Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the story. See you in a bit. Dumb Dog and his boat. Dumb Dog is in his new boat. He has a new jacket and a new hat. Pet Cat sees Dom's boat. Can I go in the boat? Pet Cat sits in the boat. And the ant has new glasses. And the ant sees Dom's boat. Can I go in the boat too? Gus Goat sees Andy Ant. Can I sit with Andy? Gus Goat is too quick. Gus Goat kicks Pet Cat. Water's in the boat. And the ant is on Dumb Dog's jacket. Pet Cat sees Jack Horse. Jack Horse has socks. Jack, help us! Can I go in the boat, Pet Cat? No, Jack, it's my boat. The end. Hello, students. It's me again. Okay, so we are going to make our boat right now, the origami, okay? I want everybody to get a sheet of paper like this. Boat and ta-da! Okay, I will show you the instructions in the end, okay? And guys, you can put this in a bowl of water and it will float. Woohoo! Okay, guys, miss you. I hope you enjoy. Ask your mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa to help you, okay? Bye. See you.